Okay, so then we come to complex conjugates. As we know, complex numbers, we denoted it as A plus BI. So when we want to find its conjugate, the definition is they're having the same real part but different sign of imaginary part. So what we can straight away see here means our imaginary part, we have to change it to opposite sign. So let's say our complex number here is A plus BI. So complex number, imaginary part is BI here, positive, right? Then when we want to find its conjugate, we change the positive sign into opposite, which is negative. So conjugate is denoted by Z bar. This is conjugate, or sometimes they will put Z star. So this is the notation to find complex conjugate. Change the imaginary part. So let's say our complex number 2 plus 3i, then conjugate, change your imaginary part, become 2 minus 3i. Alright, then we go for our example. So for our example, compute the conjugate complex number for the following. So for A, the complex number here is 4 minus 7i. So when we change to conjugate, we write it as Z bar or Z star. So the conjugate will be 4 plus 7i. Then for question B, Z equals to negative 1 plus 2i. Then complex number conjugate negative 1 minus 2i. Okay, so question C, complex number here is 4 plus 5i. So its conjugate 4 minus 5i. For question D, complex number is negative 2 minus 3i. So its conjugate negative 2 plus 3i. So bear in mind, conjugate just change the imaginary part to the opposite sign. So if I give you another example, complex number is I plus 1. So what's your conjugate? 1 minus I. So this one have to rearrange first. Z is 1 plus I. Then you can get the conjugate correctly, which is 1 minus I. So it's not changing at the back. It's not changing at the back. We didn't define the conjugate changing at the back. Our definition is changing at imaginary part.